We gather in celebration of life when embracing the mic. One taste of my strike, fall straight from the fight. Raising my right fist, blatantly hyped. Stating my right to recite, I'll be taking a flight. Lazing above clouds, raving up high. I sail to my touchdown when I clutch crowds. And I bust loud and instruct how the rhyme form can be twisted, can be lifted above norms. Candid visions, random written to drop jaws. Making your clock pause, shaming the pop pause. Aiming the clock chores, changing the flock laws. As we come to the fore, inspired by the sweet scent of skunk from the floor. Words tumbling forth, crumbling hordes in verses. They stumble of course and burst under my force. Survivors left with a wondering awe. We exit stage left to a thunderous applause.
He lives alone in the black hole. It's the bow-legged masochist who's savage with a crack pole. He snatched souls, ravaged whole towns and villages. Stole pounds with which he filled the cold mouth he dribbles with. He comes around you in his golden brown vintage kicks, trying to snoop around to use some old sounds.